Okay, for this activity, the write it three ways activity, I want you to first go and get the place value cards that are in the white cart. They are in a little baggie. Just go ahead and grab the baggie. And then I want you to gently tear out this piece of paper from the back of your packet, the Write It Three Ways Level 3. Please, of course, write your name, number, and date at the top. Pause the video, come back to me, and then we'll talk about what we are going to do with them. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example on how you are going to do this activity. First, you're going to pick out the cards that are in this little baggie. You don't have to do them in order. Each card has a number assigned to it, and you are going to use that number to fill out your paper. Now I'm going to use an example that's not one of these cards, so it won't have a designated number to it. I will use number 1, but it will not be the number 1 that you use. Like I said, your card will be different. But let's say that number 1 was this card right here that you have. Well, let's talk about it. What is this number in standard form? Well, let's look at the place value blocks. How many hundreds do we see here? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, and I hope you do too. So I'm going to write this number out in standard form. Now, standard form is number form. So my number is 400 and what? 400 and, well, let's count up the tens. How many tens do we have? Now each of these long blocks we know is a 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 490. So I'm going to write down 490 in standard form. Then I've got to stretch it out. We should be experienced at writing this in expanded form. This is 400 plus 90. Now, do I need to write down plus 0? I probably don't. I mean, I will right now, but there's nothing in the ones place. So it's okay if you don't write plus 0. And then I'm going to write this out in word form. Now, it's incredibly hard for me to write this out on my computer right now, but I'll just write down 4 to get you started. 4, and then you would write out 190. Now, this is a tiny bit of space. You're going to have to make sure your words fit in the box. I apologize, the boxes aren't that big, but the last step is in word form. You're going to do this with all 9 cards, okay? Just make sure that you are matching the cards up with the correct number in the boxes. Let's go back and let's look at all the boxes and see. Yep, we've got 9 boxes. That means 9 places and 9 numbers. And be careful because some of these tens, those might turn into hundreds. I'm just saying. And some of these ones might turn into tens. So I would figure out your amount first before you go and write it out in word form and expanded form. Make sure you know your number first, because you might be combining some place values, correct? Because if I've got 13 tens here, my number is 130, okay? And that means I will have a number in the hundreds place when I do expanded form. So be very, very careful on this. Please do not write on the place value cards, because when you're done with this activity, you're going to put the cards back into the baggie. You're going to put the baggie back into the white card, and you are going to hand in this Write It Three Ways paper in the math section. All right, so please don't write on the little cards. You can write on your sheet, but not on these guys. All right, thank you for learning with me, and good luck.